can a woman go pray at the kvarim of the tzaddikim? She can if there is a direct road to the kever of the tzaddik and not to go through the cemetery at all. It is a terrible idea for a woman to go to the cemetery. Some chachamim even say even the grave sites of tzaddikim are problematic. And one of the reasons why is because the graves have tum'ah. And a woman doesn't understand what that really means until she suffers from it, which is that the tum'ah of the graves could enter her body through her reproductive organ, and she could lose the ability to reproduce or actually have a miscarriage. So going to a grave site is a horrible, horrible idea for a woman. Horrible idea. And as far as going to the gravesite of tzaddikim, only if there is a direct road directly, meaning literally like the steps directly to the gravesite. Even in that case, if you're still trying to have kids, I wouldn't recommend it.